Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how I kind of make this infused olive oil. I bought the olive oil with a bit of lemon or infused lemon before, and I loved it. Every time I cook, it just have that smelly lemony. So I'm like, hey, Gino's Creative Cooking can create one for herself. So since I started doing that, I love it. And I'm like, I'm going to share it with my viewers. Thank you, my followers. Thank you, my viewers. And those who has not subscribed, I'm gonna give you a second to subscribe. Press that subscribe button, share and enjoy. So let's see how I made this. Here in front of me, I'm gonna show you how I make some olive oil, infused olive oil, infused with lemon and garlic. So I have the garlic here, and I have lemon, and I have the olive oil itself, extra olive oil. Here I have roasted my garlic. It's good to roast it, and that way it keeps longer. I mean, this stuff, I stopped buying one because I used one. It was so good, it had some lemony flavor, and I'm like, I'm gonna do my own now. So here I'm measuring 8 ounces of olive oil. So it's about 3 cloves of garlic. If you want to know about just roasting the garlic, I take it as it is, sprinkle it with olive oil and wrap it up with aluminum foil, and there you go. Put it in the fridge. So in case you want to make yours, you can try it, but I'm just showing you how I make mine, and I love it. So I got that, and for this I make sure my hands are very clean. So I'm gonna heat it up so it's hot before I can put in the garlic and the peels from the lemon. So I'm just gonna heat it for it to be just like hot. And once it's hot, I'm going to put the rest of the stuff in there. So I make sure I really wash this lemon, like really wash it real clean, to make sure that it's clean to go in. So peel just the zest itself. Now I'm gonna test the oil. It should be hot, and then I'm going to put this in the pot. I'm going to leave it in the pot for about 10 minutes, and then I'll pour it and leave it in my bottle. That's right.